In this session, I would like to tell you about JavaScript events. What are events? So, events are one of the part and very main important concept here in this JavaScript. And events that occurs when the user or the browser manipulates a page. How a browser or a user will manipulate a page. If he clicks the mouse, if user clicks the keyboard, and if user clicks the or uses the forms, then it manipulates a page. It means it will apply events. Events are having these three types of events are there. Events are there here in this JavaScript. So see how they are work. So that here we can see in previous lesson in functions class I told you that if we use the on click event and that browser will alert like this. Even I will share you the source code to you in our lesson. You can download and you can do practice there also. And I will take new document and define that on mouse events events.html. Here in this session I will tell you about how we can use on mouse over on mouse out. I will use this JavaScript event here in this HTML only. For that what I will do is I want to load one starter template like this. This is purely HTML starter template. It seems to be like this. Okay, and this is our browser. I want to see preview from here only. So what I will do is I will use that event where I can use on mouse over and mouse out. For that we need one scrolling text. How we can add that scrolling text with the help of marquee only. We can add this scrolling text. Here I want to add some paragraph. It seems to be like this. I will use brown BROW and brown fox jumps over the lazy dog over the lazy dog. Here we can see I will copy and paste over here. Now we can see I will copy and paste couple of times so that I will get one output. What I will do is copy paste and save. Here we can see the preview seems to be like this. Open in live server. Now we can see it seems to be like this. This is a marquee tool. Here you can see there is a paragraph is there scrolling from right to left only. I want to assign some attributes to this marquee tool. Now what I will do is I will assign some properties attributes to this one. So I will assign width. I want to assign width width equal to 450 px. I would like to assign as 450 px. Save this one. Now you can see the output. It seems to be like this. We assigned some width to this marquee, and I will change direction like DIRECTION equal to I will apply from up. I need from up direction. You can see save this one. Now here you can see there is an output. But if I put my cursor over here in this paragraph, it will stop, and I remove that mouse from that paragraph, then it will scroll like this from bottom to top. How I can do this one? So that with the help of on mouse over, I will use on mouse event for this paragraph. And this I would like to assign some JavaScript for this one. So what I will do is I will use this dot stop stop. This is one kind of stop method here in these events. Save this one. Now have a look how it seems to be. I put my cursor over the paragraph, it will stop like this. I remove my paragraph from the I remove that paragraph from that one from that paragraph, then it will scroll from bottom to top. Then we have to assign some more command events command. It means on mouse out. Here we can see there is a mouse event. This dot str or the start method is there. So what I will do is I will use this dot start. Save this one. Have a look how it seems to be. I put my cursor over here and I remove that cursor and put over and out, over and out. Here you can see there is on and off scrolling is there. Mouse over, mouse out, mouse over, mouse out. So this is the code which I use to execute that kind of output. For animation I used mark Q, and for on and off events I used this mouse over and mouse out, and for some other directions I assigned some mark Q attributes. This is also one of the events to execute the events without using function only. We executed this start and stop methods for this mark Q tool. So these are the events, and